Today we had a very good meeting, 90-minute meeting with all the pollution management, waste management and Mumbai Corporation's officials and state government officials, with all concerned officials of the Central Pollution Control Board chairman and other senior officers and secretary of my ministry. And now immediate steps to be taken in Mumbai, the Mulund dumping site to be closed. They have promised that tenders will be issued in next 15 tenders will be issued in next 15 days. In Devnar, for integrated waste management, because we asked them not to go for piecemeal solution, but for integrated waste management solution. And to that end, they have appointed Tata Consultancy Services, and it is preparing, so they will also be ready with the bidding documents for open technologies and with open technology options in 1 month time. Kanjur Marg dumping site, they have some expansion plans where CRZ permission may require. So the proposal, they will say, we will examine it and will process it in time-bound manner. They have also decided to conduct the leachate study, and they have decided to have grids for better waste management on each dumping site. And therefore, they have decided some right things. We have also given them suggestion to immediately collect in an organized way construction and demolition waste which is generated in a large quantity in city of Mumbai, because there is large number of redevelopment projects are going on, and therefore they can now charge fees to the waste generator and carry them for processing and recycling. As we yesterday announced, the C&D rules expects every corporation to start a plant for recycling of C&D waste, and that is how they have also said that they will consider for their new sites, and they have already started some initiatives. So we have decided that the Mumbai Corporation will give us the full plan to deal with the waste in Mumbai, immediate steps, mid-term plan and long-term plan in next 10 days. And after that, we will review the progress of implementation on quarterly basis. So that's how we want to go ahead. And we are, as a sensitive government to environment, we want to look into all such issues arising in the countries where such kind of review at least once at this level and then at the local level. Like Bengaluru city, the lake situation become, because all the detergents, all the wastewater and all the sewage is also flowing into all the lakes which are integrated actually, and they caught fire. So we have taken 2 reviews of action plans. Now we'll take the 3rd review here, and we'll call all Bengaluru state and municipal concerned officials here, and all our officers will have a long meeting with them. So these kinds of sensitive issues will be monitoring.